Hello there guys, welcome to another spontaneous update vlog. This is about the Yamaha MT-15 CYW Create Your Warrior initiative launched by Yamaha Motor India for all the fanboys out there, which includes me. So who isn't a fan of Yamaha motorcycles? And the MT-15 is slowly but surely catching up with the public. They're understanding what this bike is all about, the motard culture and the street friendliness of this motorcycle, how compact it is and how easy it is to wade through the city traffic. So now this is a special initiative that is created by Yamaha Motor India. So let me take you through this. So this is the Ice Fluo Vermilion color. Now CYW stands for Create Your Warrior. They've always branded the MT-15 as a Dark Warrior, which is the actual branding that goes with the MT lineage and the bloodline. So this is about the kind of customization options they are offering with the MT-15 vehicle. So first you can customize the body color, then you can customize the rim color for the bodywork. So this is what makes it special, especially this Ice Fluo Vermilion color with the gold wheels. Looks super premium. Whoever has done this has done a very sensible job. It looks very classy and premium, and the gold wheels really add on to the premium factor. And then you have this black color, which is also kind of my favorite because the blue color wheels go really well with the glossy black body. Everything else remains the same. It's only the visual appeal that they are trying to change for the masses and the fanboys here. And the power around 18.5 PS, torque around 13.9 Newton meters, 6-speed gearbox. We still don't get a aluminum swing arm, we still get a box section swing arm, and we don't get dual channel ABS. Yeah, we still don't get dual channel ABS. So apart from that, the bike as it is really catching fire with the audiences, and they're understanding the true character of the motorcycle. It is easy to flick around and a proper street fighter meant for the urban conditions and the urban jungle. You still get the Delta box frame, which lends the bike great superb handling. And this is a new design, a new culture that's been launched, a motard culture that people are coming to terms with. Earlier they couldn't understand what this bike is about, but now it's selling like hotcakes. I love the way the blue rims look, and it goes really well with the glossy black body, and also the MT-15 sticker it comes in blue now, so that looks really cool. And you get a liquid cool engine, fuel injected, BS6 compliant, and yeah, it's hard to pick one among the two. Which one do you like, the vermilion Ice Fluo color with the gold wheels, or the all black with the blue wheels? And you have other number of customization options which you can do as per your wish and will. Here you can see, I don't know how well you can see this. Yeah, I just hope. These are the different color options with which you can customize your MT-15. These are the two options or variants which I have tried to cover, but apart from this, the bike can be customized in several different ways and different colors for the rims and the bodywork. This is how it looks, or you can go to the site and check it out yourself. So this is what the Create Your Warrior initiative is all about. I love the headlamp, kind of a Robo Warrior kind of a look. It looks symmetric, it looks new age, kick-ass and radical, and the engine is nice and punchy. For those who are not aware, MT stands for Master of Torque. There's also an anime series in Japanese that is airing online, so you can check out if you don't believe it. I couldn't believe it myself, but it is good quality animation series that is airing online. Master of Torque is the name of the series, and it's about the dark side of Japan kind of a theme that has always defined the MT-15 and the MT lineage and the MT bloodline. So this is just a quick update. Let me see whether the battery is connected here. This one is not connected. So this one is. I just hope it's visible. There's a lot of glare here because we are a lot of harsh light, but you have a dual throttle cable setup for clean acceleration, instant acceleration, and without any latency. You get a high beam flasher here. You have the dark side symbol right here, and the seat, the stitching, the tail lamp, everything looks super premium. So that's pretty much it. So this guy is supposed to be a music director, unfortunately ended up being a bus driver, so he's trying to play music with his horn. But anyway, back to the motorcycles. So this is just a quick update video that I wanted to make for you guys. What do you think? Which one did you like? And go to the site and try to create your own Warrior of the MT15 series as per your personal preference and your kind of design imagination, how it works. So thanks to Pearl wow. Everyone wants to become Hans Zimmer with the bus horn now. But thanks to Pearl Yamaha for allowing me to feature these bikes for you. If you found this video useful, please do hit the like button and stay subscribed for more action right here at Dino's World.